Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review, I'd like to share with you a brand new feature, and they're calling it the side-by-side tutorial, which is absolutely perfect for learning everything you need to know about the LeadsLeap platform and how to use all of the tools for free within the LeadsLeap platform. I'm a member of LeadsLeap and I use this platform every day. So I'm going to give you a demonstration today on how the side-by-side tutorial works. So this is perfect for beginners, and you'll see I'm live in my dashboard. There'll be a link in the description where you can set up a free account for LeadsLeap. It can be forever free. And in the top right hand corner here, you'll see tutorial. So every page you go into on LeadsLeap will have this tutorial link here. So when you click on there, this straight away goes into how to get started and take you through the menu options on the left hand side. Because when you first join LeadsLeap, especially if you're new to making money online and you're new to using tools, then it can be quite overwhelming with all the information. So this side-by-side tutorial is perfect because it breaks down every single step and it answers every single question, problem or solution that you might have within the platform. Let's have a look here. So we're on the dashboard now, and straight away it says, what can I do with LeadsLeap? And it goes through, I scroll down here, it goes through all the different um, functions of LeadsLeap. You can learn, you can make money, you can get traffic, you can build a business, you can build a network of leads. Further down here, we've got tabs, how to make money with LeadsLeap, how to build a business with LeadsLeap, how to sign up SendSteed, which is the list builder or autoresponder. List builder is for free members and autoresponder is for upgraded pro members. And all you do is you X out of there, and whatever you'd like to do, let's say as an example, I use this for my lead capture pages. Let's say I'm going to go into page manager and I want to build a lead capture page. All I do is I click on there, and again in the top right hand corner here you'll see tutorial, and down the left hand menu it will bring you everything you need to know all about the page manager and building a lead capture page. So all the questions, all the answers, and further down here, tutorials for page builder. So understanding the page builder in 5 minutes. Um, every single aspect, it's really beginner friendly. Um, and I use this, it says here how to animate the elements in a page. So I use this little tutorial here because I was unsure how to use the animation. So I use that one there on how to animate this page here. You'll see if I refresh this page, you'll see the first 3 lines animated. And I wanted to just do that just to add a little bit of pizzazz to what can normally be quite boring lead capture pages, and it makes your text and your title stand out a little bit more. So there's lots of little different things you can do, and even if you don't want to um, sign up for a free account yet, all you do is go into the link in the description and you come down here and you go into free tools, and you can actually try these free tools out before you even use them or set up a free account. Scroll down, go into landing page builder and click on landing page builder there. And this is before you've even signed up for a free account. You can try the lead capture page, and let's say as an example you want to use that one. It will load it up for you. And then in the top right hand corner, you can play around with this. You can't break anything, so all you need to do is click on there, and then you'll see in the top right hand corner here, tutorial. So you click on tutorial, and again it gives you all the tutorials and the step-by-steps on how to do a lead capture page. You can't break anything, it's all really beginner friendly. If I wanted to just write in there, I love these new tutorials. That's it. And you could even just play around with that. You could play around with different colors, different text, different backgrounds on the left here, different rows. And that's even before you've actually set up a free account and signed up for LeadsLeap. They let you play around with the tools just to show you how easy they are, how effective they are, and how they work for you making money online. We have what's called share codes within LeadsLeap, and you'll see here this is a share code. If you're not familiar with share codes, if you join anyone's team, like our team, like for Easy Cash for Ads, or if you join me in my programs, when I use these tools, then what we do is you get a share code, and then I can just share that with you. You just copy and paste it into LeadsLeap, and then you get these lead capture pages and guides and autoresponder email messages all done for you. So you can see the quality of the tools and what you can do with these tools. You can build funnels, you can create guides, you can create lead capture pages. So the possibilities are endless, and share codes really are a great benefit of using LeadsLeap. So if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos. I've done now over 500 videos on the channel, and I do new content every single week. And I've got some playlists. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin the LeadsLeap playlist. I've created lots of LeadsLeap videos showing different aspects of the platform, how you can use it to make money online, and all the free tools. So I'm going to pin that playlist to the top comment below this video. And if you like playlists, you want to have a look through there, then you can click on there. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.